My friends, welcome back. So nice to see you back here at Simple Italian Cooking, the place where I share very simple techniques so that you can create delicious food at home. So today I got great news for my vegan friends. I know I didn't treat you well in the last few videos, so today is your day. We are going to fry olives in olive oil. Wow! This is actually one of my preferred slow food dishes, fast slow food dishes, because it's really fast and quick and easy to prepare. And I will show you what you need. Come closer, come closer. So these are olives that I collected today in the neighborhood. So actually, I must admit, you need to live where olives grow. That will help. And so these can be collected during October till January. Very, very delicious. They look a bit ugly, but trust me, they are really delicious. And this olive oil, this will really make the difference. This is so extra, super virgin. More virgin than this is not possible. Even myself, when I was 12, I was not that virgin. And so it's really... Yeah, it will make the difference. Important is that when we fry this oil and the olives, that we do it on low flame. So we will keep the good ingredients alive. And then at the end, we will use this bread to clean up the pan. And so this homemade olive oil I only use for special occasions. And now there is such special occasion. If you look at in the white background, you will really notice the colors and the difference. So this is really quality stuff, very hard to find. And luckily I got this, but not much anymore. So what we will do now, we will put some of this oil into the pan and we will heat it up, as I said, on low flame. And after a few seconds, I will also add these beautiful ugly olives. They are not, well, they are at the moment, if you ate them raw, they would taste very, very bitter, but by frying they will develop a very intense and extremely delicious taste. And that's it. Just need to know how to use these bitter olives. And they're absolutely okay. Look at this. They have started frying now, very slowly, very slowly. Wow. We need to keep this temperature. It's absolutely important not to overheat this. And let them swim. And yeah, let's wait for 2 more minutes. And yeah, I think we are already there. That's really enough. Let me try. Oh my God. Oh, incredible. Give me the color of the olives. Incredible. Oh my